Welcome back, fellow explorers and dreamers of the open road. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota Campervan, a groundbreaking release that beautifully blends the spirit of adventure with smart technology, minimalist luxury, and trusted Toyota performance. Designed for the new era of mobile living, the 2026 Toyota Campervan promises not just freedom of movement, but the comfort of home. No matter where your journey takes you, the exterior of this campervan has been completely reimagined with sleek aerodynamic lines that reduce drag, integrated LED lighting systems that add both elegance and safety, and a distinctively bold front fascia that echoes Toyota's modern SUV styling. The sculpted side panels and modular roof, which houses solar panels and a low-profile air conditioning unit, give it a refined and futuristic edge. Built on Toyota's TNGA-L platform, the body ensures excellent weight balance, reduced vibration, and a more car-like driving feel, which is rare for a vehicle of this class. Step inside, and you'll discover a mobile habitat that feels like it belongs in a design magazine. The 2026 Toyota Campervan's interior is crafted using renewable and soft-touch materials with finishes like bamboo paneling, ambient lighting that shifts with your mood, and an open layout that maximizes space while keeping things cozy. A panoramic skylight bathes the cabin in natural light during the day, while layered insulation ensures year-round comfort. The main seating area doubles as a relaxing lounge by day and transforms seamlessly into a full-size bed by night thanks to intelligent space-saving mechanisms and fold-flat memory cushions. The kitchen module is compact yet remarkably functional, featuring a smart induction cooktop, a whisper-quiet fridge-freezer combo, filtered water tap with UV sterilization, and hidden storage solutions that keep your essentials organized without clutter for hygiene on the go. The wet bath unit includes a retractable privacy door, composting toilet, quick heating water system for hot showers, and an antimicrobial floor coating that simplifies cleaning. This setup makes extended off-grid stays not only possible, but genuinely comfortable. In terms of connectivity and tech, Toyota's Safety Sense 4 suite comes standard, bringing advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree camera monitoring. The onboard infotainment system includes voice recognition, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a satellite link that provides GPS navigation and limited internet connectivity even in remote areas. With a starting price close to $95,000, 0 cents, the 2026 Toyota Campervan is a compelling option for solo travelers, couples, and remote workers looking to merge sustainability, technology, and freedom. It is compact enough for city parking, yet spacious enough for long-haul exploration, offering the rare experience of true mobility without compromise. If this new Toyota Campervan inspires your wanderlust as much as it did ours, be sure to hit that like button, share the video with your fellow road trippers, and let us know in the comments where you'd take this beauty first. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more coverage of the latest campervans, overlanders, and RV tech. Until next time, keep chasing the horizon.